Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 7th, 2019, and I'm going to try and pronounce this correctly, Asarina seedlings are getting their true leaves, so it's time to start feeding them. Now these are also known as climbing snapdragons and trailing snapdragons. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going to pull one out here. Move this here. That here. So you can see it right here. It has its true leaves. And I'm going to be feeding it with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I use 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I always make sure that my seed starting mix or my peat pellets are nice and moist before I feed them, because I don't want to burn the root systems. Now I'm using an eyedropper on this to feed these, and I have my plant food already mixed up. I just got done watering these, so these are nice and moist. And I'm going to be feeding these here. A little bit more here. And it's important to feed your seedlings so that they develop a strong root system. So I have a link down in the description for the plant food that I'm going to be using for these. And I'm going to feed the rest of them under here. Now, one does actually have the roots coming out the side of the peat pellet. And when they start coming out the sides more and the bottom, I'll be transplanting them then to larger containers. And I'll come back with a video then to show how to do that. Now, I do feed my seedlings once a week, and I just always make sure that before I feed them that the soil is moist, because I don't want to burn the root system, because they're little, and that's something that would do them in if you get your plant food too strong. So I just find that 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water works very well for them. So I'm going to feed the rest of my seedlings up here. I'll put a couple more down here for you to see. There's another one. And you can see that one there is more advanced on the leaves, the true leaves. As these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button all times I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter and get updates on how seedlings are doing, what videos are coming up, gardening tips. So I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.